Hello beauties, I'm here to package a client's order. This lovely soul came across my website and decided to buy these two beautiful natural looking braided wigs. I appreciate her purchase and will look forward to hear reviews and see pictures of how she styled it. For her to be sure of a safe purchase, she messaged me for pictures of what she will be getting, and I told her that all pictures seen on my platform and on my website are my handwork. I don't display other people's handwork and pictures. All products seen are available and ready to ship, unless you want me to customize one for you in your preferred color, length and style, and that will be on a pre-order. I went ahead to assure her nothing but the best, and I believe she will love her purchase when she receives it. As I do the packing, let's listen to this interesting story I came across online and learn from it. Disclaimer: the story you're about to hear is not my story.
I got pregnant for a rich kid who begged me to abort the pregnancy. Story time. Whenever a man is begging you to abort a pregnancy, my sister, for your own good, just try. I was naive when I met this guy who comes from a rich home. My friend actually introduced me to him, and at that time he was not really staying in Nigeria. We started dating, and 4 months within it, I got pregnant. I told him about the pregnancy and he told me immediately that I should abort it. I told my friend and my cousin about it because that was my first time getting pregnant. My friend said he was going to take me to a place where I was going to abort it, but my cousin went ahead to tell my whole family about the pregnancy. Then my family lied to me that if I aborted the pregnancy, I was going to die. This got me really scared, and I told my boyfriend that I cannot abort the pregnancy. My mom took his number and called him, and he came over to my house just to beg me to abort the pregnancy. My mom insisted that I cannot abort the pregnancy because I'm an only child, and this guy came over to our house together with his mom, and they started shouting on me. They really embarrassed us, and at the time my uncle, who happens to be my mommy's sister's husband, was around. So this man told them that they should come inside so we can have a peaceful conversation. When they entered, this boy that I was dating told his family that I'm a prostitute and I want to tie him down with the pregnancy because I know he's from a rich home and I might not even know who the father of my baby is. And my cousin told my family about my pregnancy out of jealousy. She still went ahead to tell this guy that he should not accept my pregnancy because I already told her that he was not the father. I just wanted to pin the pregnancy on him. Mind you, my cousin also had an abortion recently that I covered up for her and I kept as a secret. This guy blocked me for 7 months, and his mom would always call me every day to curse me, to tell me that I can never marry our son. I think mothers should start preaching to their kids, their sons, to keep their wandering sticks in their pants and stop harassing people's daughters. It takes 2 to make a baby. Anyways, they said that I was not from a rich family and the boy already has a rich fiance that he's going to get married to. At 7 months, an old family friend saw me pregnant and she was shocked. She asked me who the father was and I narrated the story to her. She said the guy happens to be one of her husband's friends and she was going to talk to him. When we got there, my boyfriend's father said he was not aware of the whole situation and this man apologized to me. Anyways, the matter kept going on, caused a lot of issues till I gave birth, and these people gave me 30,000 naira. The child looked so much like him and he unblocked me and we started talking again. He started sending money for upkeep, calls us on video call. All of a sudden, his mom said the money he was sending to us was too much. Then the next month, this guy went ahead to send me 10,000 naira. He called me, he cursed me on the phone, and he blocked me again. What is his problem? What's this family's problem? He keeps blocking and unblocking me together with his family. When I was pregnant, he was saying he wanted the DNA. After I gave birth, he said he didn't want the DNA anymore. Anyways, this has really affected my mental health that I get sad every time I think about it. I think what she really needs is words of encouragement because the story is a lot.